So this video is just gonna be me, just me messing around.
You're gonna blow up on Instagram.
Hey. Oh shit! Wait, Chris, you want to be in my video?
Oh yeah, I guess. Yeah, double vlog.
Double vlog, double vlog, double vlog, double vlog, double vlog, double vlog.
You're actually making a vlog?
Yeah.
Oh shit.
But mainly, me and my friends are just gonna mess around in the band locker room.
Hey, what's up?
Want to say hi to vlog?
What are you doing?
I'm vlogging.
Oh, you're vlogging? Hey, what's up, guys?
Alright, see you in a sec. I have band next. See you in a sec. So we didn't end up doing it, so the next clips will be in the actual band class. So see you then. This dude started getting in trouble. I played Tribes because she left me for some reason.
Right here. Is it private? Is it private? Is it private?
Dude. Oh my fucking god. What did you do that? Let me see the video. I didn't have the whole thing. I only had the part that, what's it called?
Say it, come on.
It says 40.
Did you record it?
Did you get the whole thing? David, say hi to YouTube. Yeah.
Oh, you're still recording?
Yeah.
Recording.
Triangle boy. Triangle.
No, you need to tell them.
The white boy wears a I can if you are in the right place.
They need to stop. You don't remember what you just said? No, back where you're supposed to be. Now.
Alright, David. Alright. Explain what happened.
That Mexican dude was talking shit on this girl.
You're gonna post it? Come on, interview. Come on,
It's Caesar, it's Doña Greece. No, Doña Little Triangle dude. Oh.
It's Triangle Boy.
It's Jefferson.
He's little.
Okay. What do you have to say? What do you have to say about what happened right now?
So 2 new service items.
How about you?
Shout out to our ex. Follow him on SoundCloud. Follow me on SoundCloud, Soul666. Follow me on SoundCloud.
Follow me on YBM.
Alright. We're gonna play the clip that he was recording.
Just say it. Excuse me. I said, please come here. Just say it. Whatever you need to say, just say it. I need to talk to you right here. That's what I'm saying.
World star. World star.
Is it private? Excuse me? Is it private?
So it's raining really bad. and supposedly there's supposed to be a flash flood, and I have to go to the other side of the campus for PE. So I'm gonna figure out what we're supposed to do. Hey Ryan, it's raining really hard right now. I have to go to the other side of the campus for PE. This is gonna suck. This shit getting out of hand, dude. I'm fucking soaked. Hey, what's up, Kevin? Want to say hi to YouTube?
Hello. Fuck, it's so cold.
Oh my god.
We're way too fucking wet here. Way too fucking wet.
Oh my god, I look like a fucking mess. Hi, vlog.
Wait, was that David's sweater?
I ran after my
Dude, I'm so fucking cold, dude.
Are you doing another rainy day vlog?
It's the same. Fuck.
I don't look so well.
This is a problem. I don't know what to do. Come on.
I don't want to.
Oh my god. I can't. I think my phone's officially broken now. It's so warm in here. It feels so good. I don't want to leave, but I have to go back. My arm's so wet.
DA got that dope.
Ice water turn Atlantic. Night calling in a phantom. Told them, hold it, don't you panic. Took an island, left the mansion.